the condition of the tree. You can tell.
Rotten to the core. Trees weakened by weeks of drought, now beaten by bands of wind and rain.
We hear this big crack, and that was the tree coming down. Then it hit the wires.
Neighbors lost power, but Denise Richardson kept hers by a thread.
Well, Mother Nature is very fierce.
This time they named Mother Nature Hermine, and she hit like dominoes. Wind hit the tree hit wires, and the wires yanked off her siding. Foggy felt her hit too.
I was inside the house and I heard a noise, like a thundering noise, and then the house was shaking. Something hit the house, maybe. I hope it's not a plane or something. Pretty intense, like a big machine.
Good thing no Labor Day cookout in his backyard. Wind snapped the big tree in Newton, crashing onto a roof and punching a hole in a door. No injuries and only minor damage.
We're just happy no one got hurt. Yeah. That's what's most important.
She says thanks to some divine intervention from the church next door.
Feeling a little blessed today, aren't you?
Yes! Yeah, exactly. It could have been worse. But no, we're fine.
And as those strong winds continue throughout the night, a lot of people are keeping an eye on their own big trees, worried, of course, if they might be the next ones to fall. Live in Taunton, Sean Scheib on WCVB News Center 5.